Need to access money from your SoFi IRA? Withdrawing from a retirement account is a big decision with serious tax implications. Today, I'm guiding you through how to do it safely and smartly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A quick but important disclaimer: I'm a guide, not a financial advisor. Please consult with a tax professional before taking money out of your IRA. The mechanical process is simple. In the SoFi app, go to your Invest tab, select your IRA, and tap Transfer. Then, choose Withdraw and follow the prompts to move funds to your SoFi Money account or a linked bank. However, the key is understanding the consequences. If it's a traditional IRA, you'll likely pay income tax plus a 10% early withdrawal penalty if you're under 59.5. With a Roth IRA, you can typically withdraw your contributions, but not earnings, penalty-free. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: explore all other options first. An IRA withdrawal should be an absolute last resort due to the taxes and penalties, which can erase years of compound growth. Look into personal loans or emergency funds first. With that knowledge, you can approach an IRA withdrawal with your eyes wide open to the costs. What kind of emergency would make you consider an IRA withdrawal? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.